drill a hole, a small hole, so that light will go in. You attach the lid to your mason jar, screw that to the wood so that your jar screws right onto the wood. So a fly is in that box. The box is dark, it's well sealed. So that's the only source of light. It's like they're flying up to the window in your house. They're going to be bouncing. So they go into the jar, and if you put a funnel that's inverted, light all around them, they just keep trying to fly towards the sky so they can get away. And they don't understand glass because they're fly, and they get stuck in the jar. They don't see that there's this small way to crawl out of the jar through that funnel open. And so they stay in the jar. And in the winter, when they've all succumbed to the weather and time, then you can open the jar and dump them out. If you open it in the middle of the summer, then a fly might escape